Hey there and welcome to Consult the Blind Guy. In today's episode, we're talking about how you can make money by being a social media manager. Hope you enjoy today's episode and find it helpful. Let's get to it. As I said, welcome to Consult the Blind Guy. My name is Andrew, and in today's episode, we're talking about how you can make money from home and online by being a social media manager. Now, what does it mean to be a social media manager? Well, essentially, you would be hired by somebody to do all their social media for them, whether they have a Facebook page, a TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest, you name it. You would be the person that manages all of their social media posts and updates. Now, you don't necessarily end up being the one recording the story videos or TikToks or anything like that, but you would be the person to go in and upload those and write the articles that might go onto their social media page. I have every social media there is. Well, pretty much. There's only a couple I'm not on. But you could take me for an example. Per se, I'm doing all these recordings and I don't feel like going through and posting on Facebook and then typing out a small little paragraph or two and then sharing a link and then having to take that same link and go over to Instagram and Twitter and everything else to post the same thing. I could hire somebody like you to do it for me. That way I can focus more on recording these videos or whatever other business I might need to tend to, rather than going, okay, well, today I've got 10 videos to record, I've got a meeting with this person, I've got a meeting with that person, I've got to make this phone call, that phone call, I've got this to do, that to do, and yada 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 yada. You know, busy day. So I could cheat, and instead of going, okay, I've got all these different things to do, including social media posts, I could find somebody like you to do it for me. I could be like, all right, here's the link to my newest YouTube video. Here's a link to a blog article I've done on the same topic. And here's what I want said on the post. I could give that to you. You can in turn go, okay, well, I know Andrew's got these different social media platforms. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, and then you could go through and go, okay, well, here, open up 4 or 5 different tabs at a time, knock them out one after another. That way, each of the social media pages all get the same post to get shared out on that particular day. Or you could be somebody that goes through and does multiple posts and schedules them out for a period of time, whether it's once a day, once a week, once every few days, or whatever the schedule is that that person wants. If you've been on my social media, like on Facebook, you know that I've got my blog scheduled out, so when I post on my website's blog, it automatically gets generated to my social media, so it saves me time. It's very helpful because I have been batch recording these videos to help me be able to do everything I need to do my research, to be able to make my blog post, to be able to work on my book, to be able to work on my music. And that's where somebody like you could come in. it would be convenient for somebody like me to hire somebody like you to do these things for me so I can focus more on the business aspect and things I need to do rather than going, okay, I've got all these different business things to do, plus I have to go on and post on all my social media. That is one reason that over the last year and a half, well, going on 2 years, I've been doing 16 to 20 hours a day because I'm recording, I'm editing, I'm doing blog posts, I'm working on a book, I'm working on music, and then I have to then turn around and share all that stuff on the different platforms. There's barely any time in there for me to get sleep and be able to eat. So you could be helping out somebody with their social media and making a nice few bucks for your time doing it. Now you could be charging by the hour, or you could be contracted for a set amount for each month, or you could make it an arrangement for a year's worth of social media and you'll get paid a specific amount each week, or however you work your contract out. You can offer this service on your own website, on your social media, on LinkedIn. You can also post it on to Craigslist underneath the help wanted and gigs. You can also list it on sites like Fiverr, Rev, and Upwork, or even check out the job search sites out there as well and see what companies might be hiring somebody like you to do the social media posts for them. And this is just one of many ways for you to be able to make money from home and online. If you want more information on this or any of the other topics I've been covering here on the channel about how to make money from home, head on over to consulttheblindguy.com/blog and you'll be able to find those articles there. And if you're interested, you could purchase a copy of my book, Income Booster 100 Plus Businesses that you could start from home and ditch the 9 to 5. No matter your age or your situation, there is literally a ton of information in there to help you start making money in as little as a few minutes from now. If you have any questions or comments, go ahead and drop them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you're new, please don't forget to subscribe so you can stay updated on the latest videos, live streams, and more. I hope you enjoyed today's video and found it helpful. Stay safe. I hope you have a great day or evening depending on where you are in the world, and we'll catch you in the next episode.